This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with essentials. Make sure your Apple Watch is paired and awake and your iPhone unlocked. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and go straight to Face Gallery. This is the only official place to create and modify faces. Tap a face you want to use, then customize complications, color, and style, because those choices determine what appears on your wrist. Once done, press Add to install the face on the watch and move to adjust it on the device. Next, you refine the face on the watch itself to ensure perfect fit. Press firmly on the watch face to open selection mode, then swipe until you find the newly added face from the iPhone. Tap Edit to change complications, dial style, or colors. Use the digital crown to scroll options precisely because touch can be imprecise. Make sure each complication displays the app or data you expect, and when everything looks right, press the crown to save your edits, and finally, tap the edited face to make it active, and reorganize your favorite faces in the iPhone Watch app for faster switching. If the face doesn't show up, check that both Watch OS and iOS are updated and that devices are near each other. Updates and connectivity are common causes. If the watch is unresponsive, force restart by holding the side button and digital crown until the Apple logo appears. Afterward, reapply the face. That step usually clears sync glitches and completes the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.